the chef, Mr. West, and welcome back to the cooking channel.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so welcome to another video. Right now I'm getting ready to make one of my signature dish here. Brown stew chicken with potato cooked down. As you can see right here, we have the chicken already cleaned up, cut up, washed, skin, no fat. And brown stew chicken it is. So stay tuned, and as always, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. And we will catch you on the other side.